This coagulants is the process of formation of clot. Okay, by activating factors, clotting factors like 13, we have an aggregation of platelets. It forms and clot, and it stops bleeding. It is called as hemostasis. Hemostasis. In primary hemostasis, injured. If an injury happen, the blood vessel is injured. That in the site of injury, the platelets will go and temporary in aggregation and stop. In secondary, the cascade activation, clotting factors activation, after it 13 factors that stop that blood by activating 12, 13 and that 9 we'll see discuss and later. Here intrinsic and extrinsic hemostasis pathways will be here. This is in a substance which promote the coagulation or indicated in a hemorrhagic state or continuous bleeding, and the coagulation is known as this process which is a process that which stops that by the blood clot is formed, that is known as coagulation. A hemostasis, arrest of a bleeding or blood's loss is known as that arrest of bleeding or blood loss is known as hemostasis. We maintain that hemostasis. Okay, primary and secondary intrinsic and extrinsic pathways, that is extrinsic means outside. Okay, outside rapid coagulation pathway also called as fast. Okay, in detail we'll discuss like in intrinsic internal like platelet aggregation clot. Okay, it's a slow process, and here in detail we have that blood vessels that due to injury superficially damaged, that high molecular weight gynogen that's exposed to collagen, that high molecular collagen activate the precolorin. The precolorin activate the another thing. Here the precolorin is a protein in blood. That precurrent is in a protein. So this precurrent activate this current that is activating 12 number that is inactive. So it's a activating again. So that 12 to 11, 11 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 again this in 9 to 10 process is the activating by this 8 and 4. Here this 10 is activating thrombin by in the presence of 2 and 5. Okay. So this prothrombin into thrombin by factor number 5 and 4, and here that thrombin to fibrinogen to fibrin. Okay, and this fibrin to fibrin clot, it's an in the presence of 13. Okay, it's a it's an insoluble fibrin clot. This is our intrinsic pathway. Okay, in this intrinsic pathway except 7 factor all will be is okay. The seventh factor name is liable factor. Okay. Next pathway is extrinsic pathway. In this tissue factor 3 activating that combinant complex with the 7th factor, that is directly activating the, it is also called as rapid pathway, directly activating that factor number 10. As it is again 10, this 10